Hello and welcome back. In this class we are going to learn how to add transitions in between the slides that we've just created. You could remember in the last class we managed to create a very simple presentation that involved about 6 of these slides. We started from scratch: the title slide, the introductory, and the points that we've added. We've added some media and text. So in this one we're going to learn how to add in the transitions as we move professionally from one slide to another. Now, to add transitions, all you need is to select a particular slide, and you can come over to the right over here, slide transition. You'll see slide transition. You can access it, or you can enable it with the Shift 6, and it's going to enable it. So once you click on slide transition, you will see all the very basic transitions that we have within LibreOffice. Now, this is a wipe transition, which you can see the sample directly. We can have the wheel transition, which is sometimes very good. We can have the fade transition. As we move from one slide to another, this is the action, and we have the cover. In some cases, this is also very nice. We have the slides, the cube, and we have the cube. We have the split. Sometimes this is also pretty cool. So we have quite a number of them. So depending on your own choice, you can just decide to select any. All right. You can have the dissolve, also is quite cool. So you can select the transition from here. Now over here you can define the number of seconds it will take to transit to the next one. The default is 2 seconds, but you can make it a second. Okay, so you can, let's say we make it 1 second, so it quickly moves pretty fast. If you want to include a sound in your transition, you can add a sound to the transition, which everyone is going to hear as it is moving from one slide to another. But for professionalism and during presentation, in order for you not to disturb everybody, you can just keep it without sound, no sound. Okay. And advanced slide, how do you want the slide to advance? It is on click or after a second of the showing the of starting the presentation. I rather keep everything on click. So once I click my mouse or my pointer, it's going to move to the next slide. Okay, apply transition, this very transition to all these slides. This is your choice. You can decide to, if you have this this swipe, it's advisable to go with a simple slide. So let's say we go with this on cover, and we can apply it to all the slides. If you don't want to apply, you can go to individual slides and add your own slide and add the transition you are looking for. But for this example, we're going to go with apply the slides to apply the transitions to all the slides. So click on this. So once you're done and everything is cool, so you can come over here and you can start the presentation from here. So let's say we start from the first slide. You can see how it starts. Now this is the beginning. Now we are now on presentation mode. If you click your mouse again, it's going to go to the second one. You can see if you click again, it's going to go to the next one. If you click again, it's going to go to the next one. If you click again, it's going to go to the next one. Okay, so this is how powerful transitions can be in your presentation. You can always hit on escape to come back to the main presentation where you can continue your work directly. So this basically concludes this class about, and at any given point you decide to change the kind of slide that you have. You can always click a slide, or you can always click this, for example, and you can make it to be this wheel. All right, so you can go to another one and maybe make it to something else. Let's try one more time so you can understand what I'm trying to say, because right now the other slides are not carrying the same transition. So we can see the first one. This is the second one, which carries that wipe. This is the third one. This is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one. Okay, so it's pretty cool up to dealing with transitions in LibreOffice. So just go ahead, pick in your presentation and try to see how you can produce something simple presentation, something like maybe 3 to 5 slides, and try to see how you can apply some of these transitions professionally, how it changes or impacts your presentation. So this concludes this class about adding transitions into your PowerPoint or into your LibreOffice Impress presentation slides. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.